time. I've been absent. I know. I don't need y'all telling me I've been hiding out, okay? Sneaking. But I'm here. What's all the fuss for, sweetie, when I'm here already? I'm back. Okay, so let's get this started. And I'm here to do a lookbook today. The company that I sponsored this wig is Heraremy. Just to let y'all know, just because a video is sponsored, that don't mean that I'm about to sit up here and lie to y'all about a wig. It's not that deep, and plus you're the one who have to walk out in it. I'm gonna be honest about my opinion and what I thought. So let me go ahead and start off by saying all of these wigs are under $30. Under 30? It had to be a joke. It had to be a joke. This was under 30. I'm highly confused. The wig that I have on right now is my favorite one out of all of them. The name of this wig is the Ashlyn wig. It is in the color Spice Bronze. It is so pretty. It is so voluminous. It is so bouncy. All of the wigs, by the way, looked, I wouldn't say natural, but they looked really good for a synthetic wig. They didn't have a smell. It was really cute. One of the wigs, sweetie, was not it, okay? The Celine wig doesn't have a lace. It's just like wig. So you can't really do nothing with it. The wigs aren't a 13x6, not a 4x4. It's just you get a part and then you get a little bit on the sides, except for the Celine wig. I had opened the Celine wig out of the package. It was kind of frizzy. You will have to clean up if you want to on the wigs when you first get them out the pack, because I plucked them a little bit. They're really pretty wigs though, but I do have a lookbook for you guys so you guys to see it. Once again, I will be putting the information up, and I'm gonna catch you guys after you watch it. Okay, so that was the lookbook for you guys. And just like I said, if it does not look good on me, it will definitely look good on you. So you ain't got a trick. Y'all want to grab a wig or two, because you know it is quarantine, but it is also about to be December and back to go to work, okay? Because I know that EDD is running out. I didn't say that. But anyway, what I do want to add in is that for all the wigs, it tells you that the temperature can take up to 400. So I use this hot comb, and this is at 500 degrees. I shouldn't be pushing my limit like this, but I did. It did mess it up. But I wouldn't say don't sit it there for fucking 30 seconds each in one spot. Like, it's gonna burn the shit off. I put mousse on it and put heat on it, and it was just fine. We're gonna try to get cute while we can, while it's still time. So y'all go ahead and grab y'all wig. Be scared to try it. Just try it. I hope you guys liked the video. And until I see you next time, which will be soon because I have news to tell you guys and another video coming up. But until the next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, honey.